Good afternoon, everybody. Apologies for the delay, and Mayor Arroyo sends his afternoon welcome. As the Sustainability Coordinator for the City of Sarasota, I'm happy to welcome you to the afternoon session of the 16th Annual Sustainability Communities Workshop. Thank you, everybody, for joining us this year again in our modified format. This event continues to grow year after year, and the city is happy to serve on the planning committee for this popular event. The city continues to be regarded as a leader in sustainability throughout the region, and this work has continued this last year with some great achievements. With our bold commitments around renewable energy, extensive climate and resiliency planning, and focus on equity and inclusion, we will continue to lead these areas for years to come. Many of you in attendance here are responsible for some of these successes, and the city and I thank you for your leadership and continued support. The previous year has seen some major milestones in both sustainability initiatives and equity work. We have engaged in a year-long process to reduce emissions from the built environment by looking at options for green building initiatives, continued to see positive outcomes from the Partners for Green Places grant program, continued this amazing progress on the Bay Park, a world-class park right here in the city of Sarasota. The Bay Park is incorporating best practices as far as green infrastructure and eco-friendly design that will help in reducing stormwater runoff to Sarasota Bay and many other environmental benefits. Feel free to stop by and explore Phase 1 as it's almost completed, and stay tuned for Phase 2 and Phase 3. We're also excited to see the Legacy Trail being extended to the city, and feel free to grab your bike and come bike on the trail as soon as it opens. We're also working on e-scooters, bike share, and a trolley that'll go from downtown to Lido Beach. And so all of these are micro-mobility and mobility assets to help reduce parking congestion and traffic in the city. The next year, there'll be many more exciting things to look forward to, and I encourage you to stay tuned for more exciting events, ideas, and projects to collaborate with and work on here in the city of Sarasota. Thank you to the organizers and the organizations that are here today for sharing your passion, time, and expertise with us. And thank you to the attendees for being involved in these important issues. Only by working together can we hope to address many of these issues that we're learning about today. And events like this one show us that by being involved, we can all make a difference. Thank you and have a great afternoon.